Well, it is fall of 2020 here, and we are heading out for one last camping excursion before we hunker down for the winter. 2020's been quite an interesting year, I'm sure, for all of you out there too. COVID has made some of our plans a little different than we intended over the course of this year. We were hoping to go all the way to California and Nevada, and that didn't work out. But we did have a decent time in Colorado instead. But this time, for this little fall break trip we're taking, we're gonna head east. We don't do that very often. We're gonna go check out Kentucky and maybe get a little bit into Virginia and check out some of the Appalachian areas there. And hopefully some of the fall colors will be changing, so it should be pretty. So right now we're heading towards Kentucky and gonna stop at a little RV park along Interstate 75 for the night. We are at Whispering Hills RV Park. We just drove a couple hours down the road from Indianapolis. We're just south of Cincinnati, between Cincinnati and Lexington at Whispering Hills RV Park. It's just off I-75 and it's a nice tidy park. It seems like it's very new, maybe less than 5 years old. Everything is very nice, and it's a great spot to stay if you just want an overnight. I think they do have some pools and playgrounds though if you want to make a little bit of a longer stay. So we just want to get down the road, and we're gonna be just an hour or so from our next camping spot at Natural Bridge State Park in Kentucky. So we're gonna get packed up and head on down the road. We had a couple little mishaps this morning with some of our stuff. The handle to our shower, the threading on it stripped out, so we weren't actually able to use it to turn on the hot water, so we actually borrowed the one from the sink. And we also had another issue. I came out here to check on my hose, and I noticed that we've got a water leak going on, so we're also going to need to pick up a new hose, it looks like. Luckily there's a Camping World RV store just down the road from here, so we'll probably stop there as soon as we leave. I'm in Camping World, and I think I found the part that I need right there to replace the handle that broke. I've heard a lot about these hoses on different RV forums, the 0G hose, so I think I'm gonna give it a try and see if it lives up to its hype. Trying to get to this trail to Pilot Knob, and it's taking us on this little dirt path to nowhere.
Oh yeah, okay.
So I don't think we're at the right spot. After taking a little roundabout detour getting here, thanks to our trusty GPS from Google, we finally found the trailhead to Pilot Knob. It's supposed to have a really cool view once we get to the top, so let's head up and check it out. Ready, Noli?
Yeah. Why are you my favorite hike?
Are you guys taking a rest?
Yeah. This whole trail has been uphill.
So far the trail's been mostly uphill. It's not super steep, but it's definitely a bit of a workout.
Where'd it go? Oh, there we are.
I have a bug in my leg. A walking stick. It likes me.
Does it bite you?
I bought it from a store.
Hey!
Yeah, get
Well,
up.
can you blame him?
Oh.
You don't need to lift him up high. Well, he's scared.
Let's stand him up.
Okay.
Nolan, I don't think that's the way the trail goes. You taking another detour?
Look at that over there.
It's quite a
We were almost there. We were like this far away.
Yeah.
But what did he think? Little did he know. We were actually supposed to go like that.
That's the top up on top of the rocks.
That is way too high.
Way too high? Yeah.
We're in the bridge.
Oh, the cave! Cool. I need to go up first.
Cave.
There goes some money.
I still don't see a cave. Anyways, that's what that. Do you think that looks like a good bed? Maybe early explorers too. There is, and that was their bed, huh? I hope they were short because that's not very much space.
Yeah.
And what's that spot? People could sleep there if it was raining. Right under this rock. See? What do you think?
Up here, the second Pride Rock. That
Oh.
one's the cool Pride Rock. This is my Pride Rock.
Oh, okay. But why don't you have the cool Pride Rock?
That's Pride Rock.
Look at that beautiful red.
I like that poison ivy. No, it is poison ivy.
No, it's not. It's like 4 or 5.
We're at the top of Pilot Knob right now, and there's this amazing overlook looking over the bluegrass region. And then you start to get into the knobs. We're right on the edge of the knobs in the bluegrass. And legend has it that Daniel Boone came to this same spot when he was exploring back in the day, and he looked over the bluegrass region for the first time from this spot and saw that the mountains were giving way to flat. So that's pretty cool to think that maybe he was standing here. a pretty epic overlook right here. I mean, you can see, probably 180 degrees all around, and it's just a pretty nice spot to relax. There's a nice cool breeze. So this is Pilot Knob, and I don't know, it's probably 1.5 miles up or so. So we're looking forward to the hike back down.
Get it closer. Get it closer. We settled into our campsite at Natural Bridge State Park and feasted on some s'mores around the campfire before calling it a night. The crisp fall air made for great sleeping weather to get rested up for our big day tomorrow exploring the area.